Want to turn your TikTok followers into a YouTube subscriber? Here's how to link your YouTube channel to TikTok in a few easy steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add your YouTube channel to TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account where you want to add your YouTube channel. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Tap the Edit Profile button located beneath your profile picture. Scroll down to find the Links option. Tap the YouTube icon, and TikTok will take you to log into your Google account. Enter the Google credential for the account associated with your YouTube channel. TikTok will request access to your YouTube account. Tap Continue to grant permission. Once authorized, your YouTube channel will be linked to your TikTok profile. After successfully linking, the YouTube icon will now appear on your TikTok profile, making it easy for the viewer to access your channel within a single tap. So this is how to add YouTube channel to TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.